welcome back to my channel. So without any further ado, let's unfold all the infra updates that has taken place in the nation recently. First story is coming from the state of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu may witness a 4 gigawatt solar factory by Tata Power Solar. Tata Power's solar arm is nearing a deal with the Tamil Nadu government for its proposed 4 gigawatt integrated solar photovoltaic cell manufacturing unit in the state. Tata Power solar fab will likely come up near Tirunelveli. The investment by Tata would be around 3,000 crore with an employment potential of 2,000 locals. Currently, Tata Power Solar has a solar cell and module manufacturing facility in Bengaluru, Karnataka. With this, Tata Power Solar reached aggregate capacity of 530 megawatt for cells and 580 megawatt modules. Tata Power's latest investment news follows Vikram Solar's plan to invest around 4.3 gigawatt backward integrated solar module manufacturing facility in the state in the next 5 years. This investment will make sure that India will become Atmanirbhar in solar energy in the larger scheme of things. Second story is coming all the way from Chhattisgarh. Tata Power Solar Systems Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Power and India's largest integrated solar company, announced that it has received a letter of award from Solar Energy Corporation of India to build 100 megawatt EPC solar project along with 120 megawatt utility scale battery energy storage system as well. The total contract value of the project is approximately 945 crore and it will be completed within 18 months. SECI project sites are located in Chhattisgarh and the order scope includes engineering, design, supply, construction, erection, testing, O&M and commissioning of the projects. Therefore, renewable energy is looking to grow manifold as storage system grows leaps and bounds with the help of robust MNCs like Tata Power. Third story is coming from Orissa. A week ago, the state cabinet passed the electronics policy to further the goal of achieving self-sufficiency in the domain of electronics manufacturing in the coastal state of Orissa. The policy has been conceptualized to position Odisha as an attractive destination for the electronics industry by providing a congenial, industry-friendly and proactive industrial climate with class-leading infrastructure, supporting facilities and policy initiatives. These, coupled with a skilled workforce, would create a favorable ecosystem for growth and development of the electronics industry in Odisha. With this, we can conclude that Odisha, with the help of its geographically strategic location, is all set to rise as a backbone of electronics manufacturing hub of the country. Fourth story is coming from Uttar Pradesh. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Thursday laid the foundation stone for Ma Shakumbhari Devi University in Saharanpur's Behat Assembly constituency. Shah laid the foundation stone in the presence of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath just months ahead of the state assembly elections. The university will be constructed at 92 crore over 50.43 acres and is named after goddess Shakumbhari Devi, whose temple is in Behat and revered throughout western UP. This university will provide various opportunities to the young aspirants of the region. While offering courses in various subjects, this varsity will become a pillar of educational hub in western Uttar Pradesh. The talent and skill of the students will be honored rightfully in the times to come. Thus, the future of the state will be in the right direction only if the youths are given the right opportunities to showcase their talent and upskill themselves to become fit for the world of future. Moving to the fifth story, which is coming from the northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh. Chief Minister Pema Khandu inaugurated solid waste management plant in the Mechuka region of the state. This plant will set the tone that the importance of waste management is optimum. Especially the far neglected regions of Arunachal Pradesh is being gradually brought into mainstream course of development. It will add a new dynamic to the growth story of the state. It is a wonder machine that can churn out fuel from plastic waste. The Chief Minister went on to say that the project is a first in the Northeast and if the project turns out successful, it will be implemented in all the 17 districts of Arunachal Pradesh. The sixth story is coming once again from the southern state of Tamil Nadu. Indian charge point operator company Magenta has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government to invest 250 crore in the state for setting up charging infrastructure for electric vehicles. Under this agreement, Magenta will invest close to 250 crore and set up a manufacturing unit focused on the design, product development and architecture standards for EV technologies in the e-mobility space. The investment will be mainly for R&D, manufacturing all cutting-edge technologies and a broader set of choices in the e-mobility segment. Magenta stated that it will create around 500 jobs in the next 2 years in Tamil Nadu and train over 1,600 employees in EV charger manufacturing, assembly, installation, and operations over the next 5 years. The company was seed funded by HPCL in 2018 and incubated by Shell in 2019. It is also backed by the Microsoft Startup Program. With this, we have come to the end of 6th episode of Infra and Tech Updates. Hoping that you are enjoying the stories being covered by us, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel to remain updated, and press on the bell icon positively to get the notification at the earliest. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Jai Hind.